So if you are looking for a way to monetize your Telegram channel, your Telegram bot, your Telegram group, yeah, the best platform is AdGram. You can actually use AdGram to monetize your Telegram channel, Telegram group, Telegram bot. So the first thing to do is to come to AdGram. This is adgram.ai. Then you sign up as a publisher. You sign up as a publisher, not as an advertiser. Advertiser means you want to be advertising with AdGram. Publisher, you want to be adding with AdGram. So you click on sign up with publisher. They're already signed up, so I'm going to log in now. So as you can see, this is my dashboard for AdGram. This is the amount I've earned so far. As you can see here, I've earned $5.77, and this is where you monitor your earnings. As you can see, this day I earned 30 cents, this one I earned 18 cents, 60 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, 23 cents, 31 cents, and like that. So it's very easy to monetize. Once you have your Telegram channel, your Telegram group, or your Telegram booth, what you need to do is come to AdGram, then you go to create platform. Once you go to create platform, you click either Telegram mini app, Telegram channel, or Telegram booth. So whichever one you are using, Telegram mini app is the app that you see on Telegram where they mine cryptocurrency or they do anything on Telegram app. Such as all this coin app, yeah, they are also called Telegram mini app. So if you have one of those, you can then click on this. Once you click on it, you add your app name here, your Telegram name here, and your web app URL here. So for you to get your app name, it is the name you give to your app, your mini app, through the bootfather. If you don't know about bootfather, then you need to watch other videos about bootfather. Bootfather is where you create your Telegram mini app. So it is from the bootfather you get your Telegram direct link, and then this is the web URL that is hosting your mini app. Your mini app is hosted on a website like Netlify, Hostinger. So you copy the URL, you paste it here, and your boot ID. Your boot ID is gotten from the bootfather, which is going to give you the API to the boot. So the first number, the first 6 or 7 numbers, it's your boot ID. So when you've done that, then you click on create. Then after you click on create, you then do the necessary setup. Then you wait for 24 hours for the moderator to activate the ads. So once they activate the ads, then when you start your mini app, the ads start showing and you start earning. You earn depending. Sometimes it might be on impression, sometimes it might be on click. So as you can see here, there are no clicks here. Also, I still earn so far, and this here there's a click here, and I also win. So you earn whichever way, either by click or by impression.